Hello, welcome back to Deconstructing with Dawn. I wanted to share with you the one of the Target beauty boxes that went live on Wednesday, the 5th of September. Normally it's the first Monday of each month, but probably because of Labor Day, it didn't go live on the first Monday. So it went live on Wednesday, like early wee mornings, like 2 a.m. There was two options. Both were $7. One I think was a facial thing. You know how much I just love facial stuff. And the other one was like a fall beauty box, but I can't remember what's in here. It went live on the 5th, and I got this on the 11th, so 6 days, which is not bad. It usually takes less than a week to get here. I've just been really sick, and then today I had a procedure on my back, so I'm having to sit still. So I am going to share with you the box. So anyway, this is a really pretty box. It's never come like this before. I'm not sure if the other one, the facial one, came like this or not, but let's see. I don't know if you can see that, but it's like got these like flowers of some sort. I don't know what kind of flower that is. Anyway, so this is what is inside. So as usual, it always comes with a description card and a coupon for $3 off $15. Then the description of the products. This is always $3 off $15 of beauty items, hair care, cosmetics, and skincare. And I always use this, I always stack it with coupons with Ibotta and like Cartwheel coupons and get as much as I can for $12 basically. Actually less than 12, right? Yeah, anyway. Nicely wrapped with some orange paper. Just did my nails. Oh, that's another thing. Before I go any further, I have a giveaway going on from, that I shared in my last video, which was this nail polish organizer by Solid Beauty Concepts. It holds what, 48, 50, about, I got like 54 nail polishes in here, and I am really loving it. It goes until tomorrow at midnight, so go like that video, watch it, and follow the rules to enter the contest. And the company is going to send you, the winner, one of these nail polish organizers. So, and I love it. I've already done my nails twice this past week because it's so much easier to get my nail polish out of here. And I just am loving the new organization of it. Anyway, so I think it's going to be a keeper. Okay, so back to this. Like backwards here. It's quite a bit of stuff in there, isn't it? Okay, so first things first. Okay. I usually save these up and do like a giveaway for these things, but extra strength, refresh and restore coconut miracle oil, dry shampoo. I hate dry shampoo. I wash my hair every single day, which is probably not good for my really bad hair, but I have to. So I don't like dry shampoo. So, oh well, I'm sure it's nothing against it. Oh, okay, I've used 2 samples of the cream of this really thick pink cream, but this is Soothing Facial Mist, made with rose water, made without parabens, dyes, silicones, and sulfates. I don't have any makeup on today because I had that procedure and you can't wear makeup when you're having surgery, so I'm just gonna put this on. I do have mascara because I would look like a ghost without it. I look like a ghost anyway, but anyway, so let's see. Ooh. Smells lovely. Just put it right in my ear. I like it. Smells good. What is it for though? Hydrates, primes before makeup, sets makeup, and refreshes. So I'm just gonna hydrate my face right now. So mist 12 to 15 inches from your face with eyes and mouth shut whenever skin needs a boost of refreshment. So I like that. And it doesn't smell bad. Like, I mean, right now I'm using an e.l.f. setting spray. It could be Wet n Wild, and it stinks. But anyway, I kind of like that. There's no coupon to it though, but you could buy it. Here is a Nivea Shea Daily Moisturizer Butter. Oh, Shea Butter. The gripper helps prevent. Oh, that's cool. I don't know if you remember. I think it was last month. A lot of people's boxes were destroyed. Oh, it's making my face really sparkly and dewy looking. I can't stay focused. Okay, remember last month, a bunch of the boxes, Target boxes, had a leak. So look what they put. Oh, sorry, I got sick. A gripper on there. Anyway, that's cool. So it's to prevent the lotions from slipping out. Although I don't know how easy this would be to get off. Anyway, okay. what's this little thing? Voluminous, L'Oreal Voluminous Primer Base. For what? I'm not sure what this is. Oh, okay. Primer for your eye, or for mascara. I'm not sure who I've had by this before, but I don't really use it that often, but it's a tiny little sample. It's easy to put in my little makeup thing. Look at every one of them is sealed with this extra gripper. Very smart. Here is a Weleda, which I've heard of this before. I think one of my favorite sprays was from them. Wild Rose Creamy Body Wash. So you get a body wash and a lotion. That's kind of good. Here is an Olay Micro Polishing Cleansing Infusion Hydrating Glow with crushed ginger and citrus fragrance. Again, sealed nicely. Very smart Target. I'm sure they had to refund a lot of people. And then here is a Schmidt's. Oh, I watched the Jersey Shore, and probably 4 times during this latest episode, there's been a Schmidt's natural deodorant commercial. I've never heard about it, and here it is. It's gray, like charcoal. I've had a little bit of a problem with a breast lymph nodes had to be removed once, and I was afraid it was because of using deodorant, which they advise you not to use deodorant because you can get certain cases have shown, you know, breast cancer. And so I've used some natural deodorants a couple times, and I don't break out with them, and I don't know why, I just don't always use it, but I prefer to use Degree, but I might give this a shot. It smells really good. I've had a rose water one, but not by Schmidt, but by somebody else. I really liked it. I took it on vacation the past couple times. Oh, and then here's a card about the voluminous primer base. I'm sorry guys, I got sick. You're not supposed to have surgery, then you get sick. No, it's just a mess. Anyway, so sorry. That is the Target Beauty Box for the month. One of them. Again, there was 2. One was the masks and facial kind of stuff. So anyway, love the box. Always love the coupon. Dry shampoo I'll save for, you know, giveaway or whatever. Weleda body wash. I really like this, even though it makes me look kind of dewy. Soothing facial mist, which is good for my face today. The voluminous, is that how you say that? Voluminous? By L'Oreal primer. Olay cleaning infusion for the face, which I've never seen this before. I'm using a Olay moisturizer though, so that's good to pair with it, I guess. A Nivea, I have a Nivea. My next round of body washes is the Nivea foaming body wash, which I think we got in this box last month maybe, or somebody, I don't know, some box I got. So that I'll pair it with the Nivea lotion and make, you know, see how they work together. And then I'm looking forward to trying this one. Excuse me. Okay, so one other thing I wanted to share with you. I was trying to walk off the pain today. So we went to Target, and Target lately has been having these little samples. So when you go to like the makeup area, they have like a sample table. Mine has anyway, every single day for the past couple weeks. So today I picked up samples of Aveeno Positive Radiant Moisturizer, and it's just these little tiny cups, and they put just like a little dollop of whatever item that they're doing. But what I liked about this, I don't know if you can see that, but it is really kind of like shiny, like a highlighter almost. I don't know if it's gonna pick up. But yeah, see how, I don't know if you can see that, but it's like almost got like a shiny, luminous look to it. So it is just a moisturizer that will like act as a base that will, there you go. Isn't that pretty? So I like that. They also had a sample of Neutrogena Hydro, which is kind of, again a moisturizer. Look how tiny that little sample is. But it is a little moisturizer that had SPF in it. And what I liked about this is that it seemed to be very light. Like, I hate putting sunscreen on, but I'm so fair. But it was just really light and absorbed really nicely to where I didn't feel like I had it on. So I really liked that. That was a sample. And then I also saw this. I've gotten this before, but I thought I didn't have anything in it because it looks like it's empty. But it's actually e.l.f. Beauty Shield. And there is actually some in there. And it's almost like a micellar water kind of a consistency. It's just water, like looking stuff. but you're supposed to put it on just like it would be for, it has SPF in it apparently. And it absorbed really like into the skin, and for it being like water, it actually absorbed nicely, which is kind of weird. So I kind of liked it. I don't like the smell of it though. So I will definitely love this Aveeno, the Positive Radiant Moisturizer. I love that. And I like the Neutrogena Hydro over the e.l.f. product. But anyway, I'm not sure if every Target is doing this, but mine is, and every time I've gotten it, I've picked up some sort of little sample, and I've actually enjoyed it. And I like that they're in these things. I can just throw them away. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Go check out the video for the giveaway from the Solid Beauty Concepts. It runs till midnight tomorrow night, and then I'll announce a winner on Sunday. And they will send you the actual product themselves. So thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon.